Let's talk about ChatGPT, a tool that's everywhere right now. It's an AI assistant that lives in your computer, ready to help you with almost anything. You can ask it questions, get it to write stories, or even help with your work. It's learned from a massive amount of information online, so it's pretty smart. The best part? You don't need a tech background to use it. All you need is a computer and internet connection. Just type what you want, and it responds instantly. This makes it accessible to almost everyone. People are already using it to start side hustles and make money from home. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a powerful tool if you use it right. ChatGPT can save you hours. Imagine getting a first draft of an article in minutes. This levels the playing field, letting you compete with experienced freelancers. But remember, it's not magic. The AI can make mistakes. Your job is to guide it, check its work, and add your personal touch. Think of yourself as the manager, and ChatGPT as your tireless assistant. If you master this partnership, you can create a new stream of income. It's about working smarter, not just harder. So, why should you care? Because this is your chance to use cutting-edge tech to your advantage. Let's dive into how you can make it work for you. Ready to see how? Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to earn with ChatGPT is writing. Businesses need blog posts, articles, and product descriptions. Demand is huge. You don't have to be a great writer. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Your job is to polish and personalize the content. Start by offering your services on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. When you get a client, ask for clear instructions. Give ChatGPT a specific prompt like, write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of drinking water. Don't just copy and paste. Edit, fact-check, and add your own touch. This is what sets you apart from others. Clients pay for your quality control and human touch. As you gain experience, you can charge more and handle more clients. Use ChatGPT for volume, and your skills for quality. It's a simple, effective business model you can start today. Let's move to another way to earn. Another way to earn is by tutoring students online. You don't need to be an expert in every subject. ChatGPT is your research assistant. Offer your services on platforms like Wizant or TutorMe or advertise on social media. During sessions, use ChatGPT to help explain complex topics simply. Don't just read the AI's answer, rephrase it, use analogies, and check for understanding. You can even ask ChatGPT to create practice questions or quizzes. Parents pay for good tutors, and your secret weapon is instant access to knowledge. Always double-check information, especially for math or science. Your goal is to help students learn, not just give answers. With ChatGPT, you can confidently tutor a variety of subjects. Let's see how you can use ChatGPT for social media. Every business needs a social media presence, but most owners are too busy. Offer your services as a social media manager. Use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, captions, and hashtags in seconds. Understand your client's brand and audience, then tailor the AI's suggestions. Gather photos or videos from clients or use free stock images. Schedule posts using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. With ChatGPT, you can manage multiple clients and charge a monthly fee. This is a scalable business you can run from anywhere. Now let's wrap up with some final advice. We've covered 3 solid ways to make money with ChatGPT: content writing, tutoring, and social media management. Start small, pick one method and focus on getting your first client. The first dollar you earn will prove this works. Take action. Try ChatGPT, browse freelance sites, and see what others offer. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The time is now. Be ethical. Don't present AI work as entirely your own if rules forbid it. Always add your own value and double-check information. Never enter sensitive data into ChatGPT. Remember, AI is a tool to assist, not replace your thinking. The most successful people will work with AI, not rely on it completely. You have the knowledge and the tools. Now go build your online income stream. Good luck.